Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. In today's video, Super Stay Maybelline 24-hour wear 360 on its own today. I'm using it for my base today. I've used it in a comparison, but today it stands alone. If you have your powders, loose powder, setting powder, finishing powder, press powder, pull them out and use them today. This is what it looks like. I'm using a sponge puff and I'm going to use that as my base. This is what it looks like with just the puff. I use a fluffy brush just to make sure I take off excess. That's if you have a brush and you need to do that. I don't have much excess, but I'm just showing you the different ways you can use your powder. You can use a brush, or a sponge, or a puff. This is it. This is the Maybelline, and it is this Maybelline powder, Super Stay, is a really, really nice press powder foundation. This is it. Take a look. It's just beautiful. If you can get your hands on this, and I've said that before when I did the comparison, try it. You will have no regrets. This is just flawless. Put it on and forget it kind of press powder foundation. They did it with this one. Thank you all again for watching. I hope you did pull out your powders out and play with it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.